Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, July 30. There is no shortage of domestic food supply despite the continued drought conditions affecting the agriculture sector. Acting Agriculture Minister Derek Kelly gave that assurance at a press conference on Tuesday.
Let me assure you that as far as our staples, tubers, bananas, plantains, the country has enough supplies. Obviously, vegetables will be more susceptible to the impact of the drought, and our own projection is that we will see about a 20% fall off in production for the July to September quarter.
To address that, the ministry is providing $30 million through the Rural Agricultural Development Authority to help increase production in parishes least affected by the drought. Another $3 million will help farmers affected by losses due to fires. In total, approximately 1,600 hectares of crops have been lost or damaged due to the drought and fires in some areas. But the acting agriculture minister says there are still 200,000 hectares under production with an output value of $146 billion. He says members of Parliament have also arranged the trucking of water to farmers to save crops and the livestock that are being stressed by the drought conditions.
The ministry will make every effort possible to ensure that the nation's food supply is not compromised, nor the growth momentum in this vital sector reversed.
Meanwhile, State Minister for Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change Ian Hales says the ministry continues its interventions to help alleviate the effects of the drought.
We continue to work in the ministry by making allocations to the members of Parliament and to the councillors and to the parish councils across the country in seeing how best we can truck water to the citizens of the country.
Mr. Hales was speaking during a recent emergency drought management meeting at the Water Ministry. During that meeting, Director of the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, Jeffrey Spooner, said up to the end of June, the island received only 33% of normal rainfall. He said the outlook for August through to October was also for below normal rainfall in most areas. Added to that, Mr. Spooner pointed to higher than normal temperatures and windy conditions that make it imperative for persons to desist from lighting fires outside.
So this minister has really exacerbated, especially if fires are started, the spreading of these fires.
In the meantime, the Water Minister Robert Pickersgill says the authorities will be taking advantage of the low water levels to de-silt the Hermitage Dam. While answering questions in Parliament Tuesday, he said the exercise would increase the dam's water storage capacity so it can hold more when the rains finally come.
We expect to have extra storage capacity of 120 million gallons to 180 million gallons, depending on final specification of the RFP and dam security. This amounts to an additional 30 to 60 days worth of storage facility.
The National Water Commission has already started the procurement process with an engineer's estimate of the cost being developed. And finally, young people are being urged to avoid illegal quick cash schemes in a bid to become successful. The latest call comes from Minister of State in the Ministry of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change, Ian Hales. He was speaking at the graduation ceremony for students at the Waterford High School in St. Catherine. Minister Hales told the students that if they work hard and remain committed to their goals and aspirations, they could become worthwhile citizens of society.
Anything you put your mind to, there is nothing that can ever stop you. Nothing in life can ever stop you once you apply yourself and you work hard.
And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.